Chat. Chat. Can you hear me? Chat. YouTube. Oh, yeah, okay. YouTube works now. Okay, that's good. Let me quickly open YouTube chat. Why is it so hard? Okay. YouTube, hey YouTube, I can see you now. If you want to say something to me, you can. Let me send you some kind of emoji. YouTube chat is so strange. I don't know. It's... You open emojis panel and then you close it and the chat is still hanging around anywhere. Just in the middle. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so what was I saying? I said that with speed modules, it is actually not so bad. So like 1.25, 2.5, and it is enough of... It would be 5 per second. It would be enough for 3 of them. Oh, for 5 of them. And we need 4. Okay, so let's say it's twice as wide. So this ratio would be enough to fly to Aquilo without any pauses and interruptions for a platform twice as wide as this one. Ooh, nice. Everything looks actually good. Let's check bullets and rockets. Nope. Wait. Rockets and bullets. 200 per second. Per minute. Bullets and rockets. $200. It's about 200 something even. Stop to Naquil. Okay, you're flying back. Almost no stop. Okay. I think 20. Okay. Would be enough. It would be enough. It's never be enough. Oh, it's stupid ads. Okay. I'll be right back, chat. Hey, chat. Oh, you went to volcanoes again? Why is that? Ah, 0 stone. How much stone are you actually... Oh, 20 stone. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You can just fly around, that's fine. I'll just need your ratios. 130. Yeah, so it's exactly as I said. About 130 and 110. Okay. Mm-hmm. 260. Two. It's actually about a quill. This. Why Control End? Control не работает. But it's about a quill. So, what do we need to go to Solar System Edge? Let's see. The highest... Gleb Tokyo. The highest amount of big asteroids is 70... Can I click? Oh, no, I can't. 17 plus 10. Oh, plus 2, plus 1. So, exactly 20. We'll write it down. 20 big asteroids. Top. Okay. So what do we need to go to the Solar System Edge? Let's see. From Aquilo to Solar System Edge, the highest amount of big asteroids, I already calculated it. 50. Why 50? Where did I get this 50? Ah, yeah, okay. 50 big. 17 per minute. Right? Solar System Edge. 70 big per minute. Where are big? Oh wait, huge asteroid, 17 per minute. And 17 per minute. It should be there. 9, 5, 3. 9, 5, 14, 3, 17. 17, yeah. And each one of them will break to 3 big. 17, 34, 51. Yes. Okay. Okay. 20. And we will have 50 big asteroids. If for 50 big asteroids, look at the top calculations. Oh, really? So there is a limit. I didn't know that. At the top. Look at the equilocals. Okay. 450 we need. Why can't I open two of them? Okay, that's fine. So it's 2.5 times more. Okay, let's open calculator. 60 times 2.5. 650. What is 0.5 equals per meter? How did I calculate the seconds? I already forgot, but okay. 220. 2.5 times equals 550. How did I calculate the seconds? Chat, do you remember? I forgot. I forgot. Ah, per minute. Because it's on time, it's minutes, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. 650 by 6, it's 10.83. Second. And 550 by 60 is not so much, 9.16 per second. Okay, and I will close calculator because when I was looking into event viewer last time, then my PC froze. There was something about calculator, so I don't want it to break everything again. And I will save the game, because I won't be able to calculate it again. I could, but I will lose it. Okay, so we need... So here. To go to the solar system edge. 2.5. 50 big asteroids. So for a planet of 82 tiles wide, we will need to go to solar system edge. We will need to craft 11 rockets per second. 11. That's a lot. And 10 bullets per second. 10 bullets per second. Okay. Just... No, wait. What did I... What was it? It would be like... Pum, pum. This is 10 bullets per second. But we will need 10... It's about ratios, it's not about actual crafting them. 40, we will need 40 iron. 40 iron, 15... 30, almost 40. Wait, chat. Just remembered something. Chat, if I'm making a mistake somewhere in my calculation, please tell me. I just need to do something really quick. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's first calculate rockets. 11 per second. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 5. So 5 per second is this one's 5. And it will be 5 rockets. And I need 11. So it will be this one twice. So this is 5 and this is 5. So something like this. And it will be 10 rockets per second. But I'll need 11. Oh, it would be even less than 10. 0.83. Yeah, well, 0.83 10 times is 9.3. Not exactly rocket science. So just oh, I can put productivity. Can I put productivity in there? No. Stupid speed modules. Okay, we will have 1.36. Without speed, it would be not enough. Okay. So 9.3 plus 0.93. It would be less than 11. I'm not good at math. 11 by 0.90. So we need 12, yeah. We need 12. We need 12, and for 12 we need almost 2 more. Okay, that's fine. So that would be 9.312 times is 111. And I need... Wait, what? I'm sorry, what? 0.83, 12 times. Yeah. Yeah. 11 and 11.16. 11.16. A little bit more than we need to go to the solar system edge. Okay. That would be hard. But okay. Let's say we have enough rockets. Yeah. And you also, I forgot about you. You need 0.85. Okay, one speed module, 75. Second speed modules, 1. Productivity module. Okay. Yeah, that's more than we need, but it's fine. So this is enough rockets. We will need a lot of sulfur for it. Will we get enough sulfur? I'm sure with this white platform we will. Oh yeah, you know what? I remembered something I wanted to do. Make... I don't know how to call it. Let's call it fjords. So the idea is to put it like this. Something like this. Basically. And there will be all the turrets, something like this, and they will shoot everything and it will fall inside. And we will catch it there. Cannot build on it. Yes, I know. And we will catch it all there. Wait. Okay. Yeah, something like this. So it will all fall and we will catch it inside. And we will have few of these setups. Because in just straight line, they're not fast enough. But they will have some extra time to catch it all. What do you think, chat? I think it's cool. We'll have turrets and we will have all kind of turret there. Maybe make it a little bit wider for the couple of turrets on a tip. And maybe... Yeah, and we need something to output the asteroids and everything. But this kind of setup should be... At least it looks cool. Maybe even like this. Pam, pam, pam. So we will have this space for catching asteroids. Okay. So you will need a lot of carbon and a lot of sulfur. Yeah, but at least the ratio is fine. Ooh, stronger explosives. Let's check. Now it should be 2 rockets for 1 big asteroid. Let's see. Ah, almost. But it's the most important one. I'm sorry, I will wait for a long time for it to be done. But I just want to have 2 rockets for 1 big asteroid. It will save me a lot of rockets. Like 33%. And then all my calculations would be irrelevant, but whatever. But at least I will have a lot of rockets. Okay, so let me see something real quick. Okay. 11 rockets. Okay, how much time will it take to research? 2 hours, okay. So to be researched today. Do we have all the science needed? Yeah, looks like we do. Oh no, not enough Gleba research. Okay. Why? What happened to Gleba? Oh, come on! Because you're just too slow. Mm-hmm. %75% fresh. Mm-hmm. I will add one more to do. For science. To do. Craft more. Because, yeah, the problem is we can't just store it. And I hate it. But at least all the towers are as hot as it gets. Okay, never mind. Okay. Well, we will. Yeah, for me not to forget. What to do? Install second. Okay. Ratios, rocket ratios. Oh yeah, of course, now no science. You know what? Let's make it 60 seconds because 2 minutes is a lot for this science. It's like few % freshness, and if we don't have enough science, we should just deliver it. Oh no, wait. It was the wrong one. And this one. 60 seconds. Bioflux is the most important one. Yes. Okay. Go back. So we need 10 bullets per second. 10 bullets. This is 10 bullets per second. That's fine. And for that we need 40 iron. Let's just... Come on, bob up. Ah. There's no actual limit. Okay, good to know. So let's calculate ratio for this. $234. It would be 15, it would be 40. Okay, what if? No, what if I make this faster? It would be enough. Oh, come on. 50, 100, 200, 250. And it would be enough to 30, 15, 30, 38. Nope. What about that? $62, 281 split by 62.4. 4.5. 4.5. Ah, okay, 4.5. 9.37. 4 times. Okay, so that's fine. Oh, wait, no. It's not what I wanted to actually calculate. 9.37. Yeah, 4 times. Yeah, 4 times. It is 37.84. So 2.5 4 times is 250. So if we will use 31 molten iron to get 3. A little bit faster, yeah. No, yeah, okay. So this ratio is pretty good. If you don't look at the power consumption, but whatever. We basically have infinite power. Infinite power! Okay, so this is our ratio. Oh, you can even save some power. Sure, why not? And it would be 10. And we need 10. Okay. This is pretty good. 18, 19 iron. How much does one crafts? Okay, so 2 would be plenty. Enough. Okay, so this ratio looks good. This one does not. Okay, we'll maybe use some beacons after, but not now. It is too much. Not enough. Not enough. Too much. Okay. So, but we will need to craft some Railgun ammo. Okay, I will move it there. Can you please just copy the entities without tiles? You know, just to show, like, this is new ratio. Okay, 4. Railgun ammo. How much railgun ammo do we need? Huge asteroids. We will have huge asteroids. 8, 5, 3. Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, 17. 17 huge asteroids. Per M. $17 huge asteroids per M. 3 times equal... 50. 50. Sorry, chat? Yeah. 50. Yeah, it's big asteroids. Yes. No. 17 huge asteroids per mysterious meter. Yeah, maybe I can convert it relatively through. Oh wait, I can I? Oh, Vulcanus again. That was fun. Yeah. Is there kills? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I actually have actual ratios. Medium, small, medium, big. Big, big, big. So 31 per minute. 40 per minute. 40 per minute. 17. Oh. Oh, okay. 24, 20. 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. Big. Where is it? No, not big outside. Where is it? Ah, yeah. 2 per minute. Big metallic. About 1. Right? 4, 4, 2 and a half. 5, 7, 4. For 7 and 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. How can I translate it to this graph? One. Where are you? Big metallic. Ah, big metallic is also here. One, big carbon. Two. Big metallic, big carbon. Aha. So 5 per minute, 2.5 per minute. 7 per minute, almost 2 per minute. So 5, 7, it's big carbonic. And big carbonic is 2. 2 per meter. 5, about 6 per minute. And speed 112. How does it translate? I have no idea. This is some kind of high math. Okay, well, it didn't help. Yeah, who could have thought? Oh shit, you had calculator all the time on the screen. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry, chat. So, I have no idea how to, you know, calculate it easily. If you have any ideas, chat, how can I calculate it? So, please free to help me. Because I'm not smart enough. Maybe I can figure it out. Maybe I can figure it out. Okay. Big oxide asteroid. There's 2 peaks usually, or maybe 1 peak. 2 peaks. Well, there can be 2 peaks. 2 peaks. It's me. I have no idea. Ah, huge. No, there is no huge. Yeah, sure. Big oxide. 2. So it's very huge deep. There and there, but not there. I would love to have, you know, bigger history, because, you know, it's not enough. It's like 1 hour, 10 minutes, and here it's like... Okay, I have bigger history, sure. But I can't zoom in to the graphs. But okay. Big oxide asteroid. I killed one. I'm flying all the way without any pauses, so everything is fine. Of course, it's some kind of... you know, random. Big oxide. But it should be, you know, it should grow like steadily. It's like line. A line. It's actual line. So this would be okay. It would be understandable. So there's a line because there is not too much. There's big gaps in it. Okay. But why there is 2 peaks? Once, and second time, and third time, and no first time. 22 per second. Okay. No big asteroids. Chat, do you have any smart ideas? Because I don't know how does it work. Freaking huge asteroids. Big, no huge yet. Big asteroids. Mm-hmm. Why? Why? Why do we have this peak right now? We'll have another peak again. But why? We shouldn't have this peak. Hmm. It's every graph is a line, just straight line. So I understand that there is some fluctuation because it's random, it's chance, it's not like solid amount and blah blah blah, but still. And then we have a lot again at the planet. Just before the stop. Big carbonic and big metallic. Okay, big metallic and big carbonic. This spike is understandable because there's teeny tiny spike that it's, you know, barely visible on the graph. Here. So that should be the peak, but why do we have this peak there? Okay, and we went back. Oh, by the way, we craft enough rockets and bullets. That's good to know. But okay. We have 2 peaks. Oh, we won't see it there. Ah, yeah, because it... Resolution is not big enough, and it just basically one peak. Okay. And then we went back, so we should have high up and then slowly decreasing. But we won't see it, I'm sure. So like this. High up and then decreasing. So is it because... You know, it feels like this randomization is not actually random. Maybe, you know, maybe it's just unlucky chances. Yes, of course it can be. But still, something is wrong, and I don't know what. Randomization is not randomizing. So, why there's too much of big asteroids on the sides? Okay, it actually looks like they fall in more or less evenly. Yeah, of course, the thing can happen. So is it because of this corner cases when there's a few generates in one place? And we'll have 2 peaks again. Why? Why did we have this moment of peace? Why? I don't understand. I don't understand. Is it because of this asteroids? Ah, yeah, actually... So we had few other types of asteroids. So we had less ice asteroid because of that. Two peaks. I don't know. Maybe, okay. The easiest explanation, of course. There's no magic, of course. There's just data and blah blah blah. There's no such thing as magic, you know. Every person that works in software development knows that, you know, there's no magic. It's just some kind of... there's just something that you don't understand. Carbonic asteroids, 2 peaks also. And, So maybe the easiest explanation would be that... So that this straight line is not straight at all. So it's straight, but there's min and max, they're like too high that it can fluctuate very, very high and low. So very much. Then what do we do with this data? Lot of medium asteroids. Yeah, medium asteroids. No, almost no big asteroids. Yes, that's right. Medium. And there's 0 big asteroids. 0 and some, yeah. Okay. So that kills. That's not spawns. We should remember that. And we should remember that actually this one huge peak, actually it was 2 peaks. But it's already too far away. 10 minutes, yeah. So basically I can see these 2 peaks every time. So yeah, looks like it's too random. Maybe not. Maybe it somehow correlates with this asteroid. So yeah, when there was increasing in another type of asteroids, we see decreasing in ice asteroids and no other types. And then it goes back, then bam, 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 bam. Yeah, but it's also should increase and decrease. So yeah, it's increase and decrease. It's... Okay, let's see one more time what will happen. So this time it should be like this graph, but reversed. So small amounts, then some kind of fluctuation, and it just suddenly drops. And then it's suddenly ramps up, and then slowly dropping. But with some fluctuations. Right now we see that there is 6.4 big carbonic asteroid tops and 4.3 big metallic asteroids. Need to be written down. Oh, I can write it down there. Asteroids 6.4 big carbonic, right? Was it 6.4 big carbonic and 4.3 big metallic. 0.3 big metallic. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's slowly going up. We just killed maybe one or two. So maybe all these fluctuations can be, you know, solved. All the mystery around them can be solved by... There's a big chunk that generated somewhere when the platform won't shoot it and just flew by. So because if we could, it would count them. Otherwise it just flew around. Flew by. Okay. Let's few simultaneously, yes. It grows steadily. Well, you know, I could just put a few logistic elements, and, you know, just count how much, you know, of each kind we killed every time, but okay. That should go. That should be maximum. We had our drop, but it was okay, that's fine. Maximum would be like now. A lot of them. This big chunk flying around. Flying pass. Okay, so we had our nosedive because we had few different kinds. Again, 2 peaks, so we... 6.4, 4.3. And sudden drop. Because we're slowing down. But they fly with the same speed. Only speed... Ah, so the speed in which they are traveling is... Calculating once when they're spawning. That's strange, but okay. That's fine. Okay, so we had again 6.4 big asteroid top and 4.3 big metallic asteroid. 6.4 big carbonic and 4.3 big metallic asteroid. And about 36 iron. 36 ice asteroid. 36.4. This is all per minute. Per minute. Minute. From kills. Graph. So you flying back, okay. Sudden spike. For some reason, some dive again. Because all of them just flew away. And we'll have another spike. So when I have more of other types of asteroids, I have drop. Like here. Here. We didn't have this one. We didn't have it here, so we didn't have our drop. And of course, 3.3. Okay. We basically have all the rockets on all the boats, which is nice. Why when aren't shooting anything right now? Why? And then suddenly, okay. So it was actually pretty steady, but we still had these dives. Okay, so looks like these ones were because of other asteroids. So there is some kind of maybe limit. Because, you know, I have a graph, official graph of space route and asteroid spawning ratio. This doesn't say anything about, you know, some kind of limit of all kind of asteroids. If it was, it would be explaining that. But in my head, that means 17 big oxide plus like 1 big metallic and 2 big carbonic. And big oxide should grow steadily, so like 1 here, 10 here, 17 here, plus all the others. But when we looked at the graph, it actually says different kind of picture. There is no steady growth, and then slow back. Maybe with a lower speed, actually. But the fluctuations would be bigger with slower speed because, you know, less asteroids, more fluctuation. 36.4 tops. Ah, no. 38.6. 8.6. So let's say it is all big asteroids. I don't have iron and you will fly to volcanoes now. Okay, so we will take this max empiric ratios on how is it, item quantum processor, yeah, from platform, yeah, okay. It's not very often that I'm typing in English actually. Sorry, chat. I'm not good at it. And as you can see, or maybe here, I'm not good at English language in general. Can you see me, chat? Because the graph says it unstable. Connection unstable. Let me check how the... Oh, well, never mind. Oh, wait. Okay, so... Where were we? So we need to shoot 10 and 40. 50. 50 big asteroids. Okay. Per actual minute. 50 big asteroids per minute means 3 rockets each. 3 rockets each, and it will be 2 rockets later, but well, in an hour. Okay. So like 150 rockets by 60 seconds, so 2.5 per second. So basically, wait, I said 50. 53 times 150 by 60. 2.5 rockets. But okay. 100 by 60. Just 1.6 rockets. After this research. Okay. It's actually very, very, very promising. Because it means that we don't actually need all of this. Not 11, but 2.5. So these calculations were done by looking at space processor rockets and bullets consumption graph. But these calculations were done by looking at asteroid killing per minute. Why they can be so different? That's the question. So about... Oh, come on, counterland should work. 2.5 item rocket per minute. And there is 11 per minute, so it's like 4 times. That doesn't sound good. Okay, so this setup will be like way, way, way overkill, which is good. Which is good. I want to change it to this one. No, quantum processors, yeah. Yeah. So this would give us almost 10. 9.3 actually. Okay. The question is, if we have 50 big asteroids per minute and 50 big asteroids per meter and on graph, and 50 per big asteroids per actual minute empiric, can be way not real. Okay, so we will try to replicate this empiric calculation to this route to the from Gliba to Aquila, to the route from Aquila to solar system edge. Okay. From 50 big asteroids to 50 big asteroids to there was something. 17 huge asteroids, which means 50 big asteroids. But for huge asteroids we need, so basically we can actually use this calculation as a starting point, because this mysterious meter on a graph empirically maybe kinda sounds like a minute real time. In this case, in this case, this calculation is good enough. So 17 per minute, we need to shoot down 0.3 huge asteroid per second, which means 1 railgun turret. 0.3, 1 railgun turret is... No, wait, 0.3. 1 railgun turret is almost half. So, okay. Almost half, 0.3, so it's enough. But of course we will need maybe a couple of them, like, let's say, maybe like this. Pew. Pew. So this railgun turret will shoot in the front, and all of these collectors will collect. Pow, pow, pow. Yeah? What do you think, chat? I think it looks cool. But if I'm missing something, please tell me. Because the fail would be, well, not actually nice. But okay. Let's say I want to build this in the center. Okay, how would I offset that? It's not in the middle. Like this. 83 means I can do one more. And it is actually a little bit wider than 82. How much wider it is? It is 91. And why did I use... I use sweet for calculations, yeah. Railgun turrets. Okay, it is not good enough because... Get lost, please, thank you. Because it should be actually... Stupid words. Because there should be more space for taking asteroids out, for bringing the bullets, and for actual gun turrets. So I am thinking about make it like... Why is it is white? Oh, come on. Why is it white means now it's 3, it would be 6. Okay, let's start with just bringing back one tile and see what happens. What happens? Would be enough. It's never be enough. And this is about 49. No, actually a little bit more, like one tile more. 51. Okay, but I like that there is a lot of asteroid collectors. Okay, if it is, it would be twice as wide. So it would be 2. Let me just... You will be here, you will be here. You won't be there. Okay, output. How can I output it? Maybe long ones. Oh, okay. But what about you? Something like this. And then on the ground belt. Why can... Okay, fine. And now turrets. It is too far away already. Can you please stop? It is not symmetrical and I hate it. Maybe I can... You know what? Maybe I can... make it like... this. Then it will be symmetrical. And symmetry is everything. Everybody knows that. So there will be 2 railgun main guns. Rail main guns. Symmetry, 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 symmetry. Okay, if I'll move it... just like this, and I will bit like that. Will it be symmetrical? Yes, it would be. Okay. Symmetry is everything. Ah, but now they are not. Okay. Ah, yeah. I don't need these ones anymore. Okay, let's go back to small ones. Pum pum pum. Pum pum pum. Pum pum pum. So if something like this, how many turrets can we fit? We can fit 3, but we can't fit these ones. Okay, chat, if you have any bright ideas, please tell me. Right now, I'm not sure that what I'm doing is a good idea. We will lose asteroid collector. We will lose some of the asteroids. Oh, come on! Boop. Thank you. Nice idea, huh? Okay. Then I could... Ah, no. Ah, no, they're too close. Move it a little bit farther away. It's too close, but now it is not too close. Nice and symmetrical, but if we move it a little bit more... I just see what happens. Nope. One more. I can fit 2. Okay, maybe like this. Nah, would be too white already. And the idea was not to make it too white, believe it or not. And then I could have couple of these ones. And a lot of laser turrets. You still need laser turrets. Like Never mind. Oh no. No, it's so set towards the right. I don't like it. Okay, whatever. Let's move it to the center. Okay, that's at least symmetrical. Will I be able to provide rockets? Yeah, why not? Something like this. Only bullets, there's only rockets. Would be a good idea to filter it. Or maybe... No. Okay. I guess. Okay, there, bullet there. No. Other way around. Bullets on the left, because this conveyor is longer. Otherwise, we'll just stuck. Well, it doesn't actually matter. Okay. So... yeah. I want to filter rockets. Okay, so, and we have 4 gun turrets, 3 laser turrets, 2 rocket turrets, and, 2 railguns, which is not actually relevant. Oh, railguns! I need also... I also need bullets. Railgun ammo. Well, I can just do this. And how long is the blue one? Okay. Blue one. So this is asteroids. This is railgun ammo. Okay. Rockets, just mark it for me next time. And okay. This is all kind of asteroids. Prometheum, sure. Okay, so collector's coverage is not really good. If we just move the railgun turrets a little bit more to the top, we could fit another collector. But do we actually need it? I don't think so, because coverage turret coverage won't be as good. Okay, the main gun is done. Gun is done. Doesn't sound good in Russian, but never mind. Let's think about secondary guns. We need to output. Let's save the game. Because I don't know, today my PC just crashed once and it was already too much. Let me quickly check. Oh, 8.6 even. Carbonic, but no metallic. Okay. So. Okay, the same dive every time. You can continue flying. We have all the rockets, all the bullets. You're completely fine. Okay. Okay, we will need to input bullets inside of you. Ammo. We will need to output. It's not gonna work. Output asteroids. Which we can do the same way. But we will also need there are a lot of asteroids will be crashing in like this area, which is maybe fine. I think it's fine. We'll catch all the ones that go there. We would also need gun turrets, we'll also need laser turrets, and we also need rocket turrets, I think. No, we don't need them there. Let me just mark. I'm not sure how I'll do with asteroids, but we'll just, you know, to have it marked for the future. So for all of this we need extra room. One belt for gun turrets. I wonder how wide would it be. Gun turrets. Yeah, it can be wider, this gap for asteroid catching, because then the turret coverage won't be enough. Let me fix the camera a little bit. How you doing, chat? And what would be cool? This fancy camera that track your head, because I always moving. It's not easy to focus the camera, to point the camera and focus the camera. Okay, ooh, the degree is like a lot. Yeah, so there's no point. Look, I thought maybe I can, you know, rotate it slightly, so between this position and this position, so it would cover like there, but I can't. So laser turrets can be there. Can be. Gun turrets should be there. Oh, maybe I can use long inserters there. Yeah, I know. What's the point, you may ask? I don't know. Did we save any space? Not, we did not. Well, well, I can use green one, and that would be fine. Then we could do something stupid like this. How far is the green one? Green one. Oh no, it is not green enough. Ah, it is not long enough. Well, that's too bad. Okay, maybe. Okay. Oh, sorry, chat. I was trying to breathe. Up. I can output it this way. Sure, why not? Oh, I can. But if I'll just put a couple of gun turret there, will it help me in any way? That's a good question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Well, I can copy half of it. I really hate this. Is it better? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh, maybe I can just blow. Nope. Green. Okay, I can do that, I can do that. That would be fun. Well, sure, why not? I just basically move this ugly one extra tile like down here. That's fine. Is it ugly? Yeah, well, why not? Why not? Because it shouldn't be. Okay, I like it a little bit more because it's a little bit, it's at least symmetrical there. Gun turrets. Gun turrets. Oh, maybe I can. I have 4. Is there a reason for me to have more? No. No, there is not. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, 4 gun turrets, 4 laser turrets, 2 rocket turrets, 2 railguns. I'm not sure about 2 rocket turrets, actually. So maybe I need more rocket turrets. But okay. Let's leave it this way. It's not like I really like it, but it looks fine. At least. Maybe we can do something similar there, but just half of it. How can we do half of it? It is 6 white from the center. Well, how can we do half of it? If we need 2 halves. Okay, we don't need rocket turret there. I think... Oh, maybe. So, yeah, okay, maybe like this. Well, depends how wide the platform will be. Okay, never mind. Gun turrets. We need inserters for the gun turrets. No. This is a blue one, this is a green one. Blue one. This is for gun turrets. This is green one. Exactly. Gun turrets. 2 gun turrets. We have 4 there and 2 there. Is it enough? What if I want to have couple more? Can I squeeze laser turret somewhere? No, I don't think so. Oh, this looks nice. No, that's nice, maybe. Green one. Maybe not nice, but maybe good enough. What if I'll move this there? That will be stupid. White space, blank space, not white space. It's not actually white. This should be input of the bullets. Bullets. Asteroids won't go there. Okay, we have gun turrets, we have railgun turret. We also need laser turrets. Oh. Yeah, nice. Not nice. Okay, so how far gun turrets shoot? How far laser turrets shoot? Gun turrets a little bit farther. 4 is more than enough. Yeah, I think 4 on each is good enough. I don't want to optimize this. Can I put one more? I will not. I will not. Okay, we can just lost some of them. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we could use laser turrets to, as we do on space platform, to shoot small mainly and to ignore anything not new. Yeah, okay, let's actually paste it. Okay, so this way the only question left is how to... Wait, what's this? Ah, it's output. It is output. And I still need to put the railgun inside. Well, I can do it this way. Go there. And we will use another green. Yeah. There will be bullet intake. Oof. Just move it a little bit. I don't want it to connect, actually. Because I'm not ready to build it all. What is this again? Ah, wait. Yeah. Go there. Yeah. Oh, wait. Ah, yeah. You know what? I will move it somewhere down. Yeah. Like measuring tape. This 41, yeah. Maybe. Yeah, sure, okay. Maybe there. Brr. Okay, output, input. You know, that looks good enough. Can I, let's say, build copy of it? Sure, it would be very, very wide. Which is maybe fine, actually. Stupid keyboard, I just press the button that change the lighting. So I have to go through the whole cycle to turn the just white back. Maybe I can put more laser turrets. You know, it's always good to have more laser turrets. It's output. It is output. I know. Let's make it like this. It can be blue one. Where is the center? Oh, come on. Come on. I can also do this system. Oh, the space processors platform looks so small after that. This one. Just, it's enormous. It's more than twice as big, actually. Yeah, so yeah, I want to say, I output asteroids only from left to right. So as you can see, the belt, asteroid belt, goes on this side, and all the processing only on this side. So I can do the same. Yeah, I know, but maybe, you know, it's nice to get them evenly from every side, blah blah blah. But why? If there is too much, they can just lay down in the inserter. Is there any type of counter how much it cost for all time? Oh no, no, there's not. Okay, so okay, that looks massive and really cool. That's why I like it. More extra turrets. Not gonna hurt anyone. Okay. Okay, so let's say I want to do it this way. Is there enough collectors? Sure. Maybe. Oh, you know what? I heard that actually walls are actually useful for small, not small, yeah, small asteroid chunks. Yeah, Factoria walls on a platform. Let's see. Marginal protection against asteroid. Offer high HP and rapid repair, but are generally considered inefficient compared to wasting better automated asteroid defense system. Collectors, laser turrets. Connecting. Facebook group. Are walls really needed on the front of ship in Factoria? Facebook groups. I don't remember when was the last time that I opened the Facebook on purpose. Usual habit from space exploration mode. Okay. Think on the edges, including the front turrets. Better to have them and not need them than otherwise. Continue left and blah blah blah. So yeah, they're useless. I won't bother with them. Okay, so then let's delete this and paste this couple of times. Oh yeah. Eh? How about that shit? They look like a demons and it looks like eyes and nose and... Okay. So that looks good. What do you think, chat? Can be a problem if the huge asteroid will come from this angle. Can it? I don't think so. Okay, so I don't need this one. That looks good. Not a lot of coverage in front, so we will lose all the asteroids, almost all the asteroids that will go this way. Like from here and here and here and here, but that's fine. There's no way to reasonably add them and, you know, not make it ugly. Okay. How much Gauss railguns we have? 6. More than enough. Okay, then now let's connect all of it. Okay, so rockets and bullets. 1. Rockets and bullets. 1 bell for rockets and bullets. It will go from the bottom. Next, we need 2. Railgun. Ah, no. Yeah, no, thank you. Oh, I hate this sound. Okay, and the same goes for you too. It's easier to just hold shift all the time. Will it help? No. But it's easier, for sure. It's easier. Oh, wait. The blue one. Okay, all this space we can use for what? For solar panel. Is there a solar power in space? Solar power in space 1%. Is there a reason to actually even use solar panels? I don't think so. Solar. So on Aquilo there is small amount of solar. 300, 600, 200, 120. Aquilo 60. Solar system Edge 1. Shattered planet 1. So there is no reason to actually use it. At all. Oh yeah, let's add more there. Ah, yeah, sure. I forgot about you, sorry. Oh, the wrong way. Bullets. Won't you build it? Yeah, okay, thank you. Oh, right, rocket turrets. Rocket turrets, yeah, right, I forgot about that. Those two here. Maybe like this. No, I don't want to rebuild everything. I don't want to rebuild everything. But how can I add rocket turrets? For them not to be too far away. So they should be like there. Well, maybe like this is fine. So this two will... Okay. Where are our ratios? How much rockets do we need? It's big. We kill 50 big per minute. Too much context I need to, you know, to have in my head. To understand what I was calculating like recently. Yeah. 50 and... It's like 10 times more that I need to solar system edge. 50 per second. Oh, no science. Oh, bioflux. Let me check quickly bioflux. What's happened with bioflux? No, that's fine. Everything's fine with bioflux. It's just slowly rotting in the chest. Never mind. So 50... 13.3 per second. Huge. So it's like twice per minute. 6.4. Yeah, like 3 times. About, let's say about 3 times. 9, 5... 4. 954 17. 17 huge, yeah. So 50. 150. 300 rockets per minute. I am not even sure what I'm trying to calculate. Five rockets. Okay. This would be enough. Okay, why aren't you researching? What happened? What you don't have? You don't have chemical science pack. Wait, what? Chemical science pack. Okay, something just stopped. Chemical science pack. What don't you have? You don't have sulfur. No sulfur because no petroleum gas. Why there is no petrol? Ah, yes. We used all our bioflux, right? Nutrients. Why aren't you working? Ah, stupid spoilage. I knew that it wasn't a good idea. It's always spoilage. It's always about spoilage. Spoilage, and I need to output spoilage. Okay, why? Wait. What? Why did I add this green? This green looks like I messed something up. $50, $40, blah blah blah. But you can't yours also, right? Okay, yeah, well, now everything just works. Stupid spoilage, but it is not right. 22 red content including fuel. We should only use this one. There is no logic. Yes, okay, then we will less than 20. No, enable, disable. Works all the time, but we will put bioflux inside only if there is not enough nutrients. And this one should be also from here. Yeah, right. There's not enough nutrients. Well, no. There is not enough nutrients. Red content, including fuel. Oh, come on. Stupid spoilage everywhere. Now spoilage around now is no. Please, God, no. I hate it. Yo. That's a lot of spoilage. Oh well. So, okay, sulfur is here. Petroleum gas, light oil, heavy oil. I didn't want to do this. Oh, wait. You just... Everything is messed up. How did it get messed up? There's the same. Okay, never mind, I'll just fix it. And everything will be fine. Ah, it's maybe because... No, I don't know. I don't know how. So now please make light oil from heavy oil. Will you? Only nutrients. Thank you. I need more. I need more. Do I have bioflux? How fresh is my bioflux? Okay, fresh enough, fresh enough. That's fine. Not enough spoilage. Not enough spoilage. Of course there is not enough spoilage. Nutrients. Spoilage more than enough. Okay, of course. Woo. Woo. You guys scared me. Ah, it wasn't your... Why are you here? Okay. We have plastic. We don't have enough gas, so we may maybe need to craft more gas. Well, maybe it's enough plastic. Plastic, sulfur, sulfuric acid. What do we use sulfuric acid for? Batteries, processors. Uranium ore. Come on. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, it's time to do the round of refactoring on Navis again. But maybe, again, just maybe it is not. At least we have all the power that we need. Blum, blum. Shit. That's fucked up. Oh, what just... When? I'm sorry, when did this happen? How long ago? That good that I saw it. Ooh. $574. You know what? Okay. $100 iron, and you don't need this anymore. Yeah, I know that I can use drones, but if I'll use drones, they will store this few thousand iron in some chest and blah blah blah. I just don't like it. Okay. Okay, there could be a problem, but it wasn't. Unfortunately, I saw it before it became an actual problem. I will leave striped ones. That looks awful. But whatever. Okay. What was I doing again? Yeah! Space platform, sure. Did I fix the nutrients problem? Yes, looks like I did. Let's see. Gas slowly but surely climbing up. Yeah. We don't use... We crafted a lot of extra plastic. Plastic uses, yeah, petroleum gas and coal. You also need a lot of petroleum gas. Okay, you're fine. And 67. Oh, okay. So the ratio of sulfur to chemical plant with acid is not good enough. Let me just... I have 80%. 9. $67. 1.99, a little bit faster. Oh, whoa. Well, yeah, that's faster, for sure. um... Okay, of course, you can't, you know, do anything without small refactor of nulls. 305. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, come on. Okay, power. Fine, whatever. Oh, 5. Okay, that should be fine. Or maybe not. Oh yeah, we have a lot of everything. But stupid nutrients. Okay. My stream time is running out, so I should wrap it up pretty soon. So let's try finish something. Railgun shooting speed. What's our science doing? Ah, okay. You will finish very soon. Because Grabber Science is running out. Spoiling. Why don't you pick it up? This spoilage. Yes, I'm sorry. It's a little bit Russian, just slip through. I said, okay. Okay. You know what? I think that should be one roboport with with 50 logistic robots all the time. Boom, boom, boom. Stronger explosives. Yeah, okay. 1 hour more. Ooh. Okay. Where were we? Where were we? Where? We were here. Oh yeah, that sounds cool. looks cool. Oh, well, maybe sounds also. What else? Add rocket turrets. Rocket turrets. I wonder if I can put it instead of these ones. Rocket turrets. Ideally, so this two hopefully covers this sphere, like there. So ideally we need it somewhere here. Maybe here's fine. It's too far away. And the huge asteroids immune to lasers, right? 99%. 99%. A lot of HP. We can even shoot big asteroids with lasers, with a lot of lasers. You know what? Maybe this fjord scheme wasn't as cool as I thought it would be. Or I'll just need to make them I don't know how to call it, this a little bit wider. It will be here. Oh, I'm seeing, yeah. I will attack to do. If I will, you know, switch to something, just to remember about it. I wonder if just 4 gun turrets is actually enough. Okay, where can I put... I can actually make it wider, you know, just maybe not even like this wide, but even wider. But just one of them. So was reactor. So like move it like there maybe. But the idea was to, you know, to cover it completely with 2 asteroid collectors so they could catch everything. Maybe I can just, you know, move it like there. So the full coverage will be still full, but not as... Okay, you know what? Let's try it on this side. let's try it on this side. Okay, so that... But like here. Yeah, with this one, it actually looks pretty solid. What's this sound? Is it you? Ah, it's you. What are you using power for? Beacon and foundries. Some fusion reactor cashback, organic plant, organic plant. It is still solid. But, you know, it's basically just a plain line. So what point of it? The point is to make it deeper, to have extra collectors. Even if they don't overlap, it's still they cover all of it. Okay, let's say, what do I want to do? I want to have railgun turret, of course. Maybe. Sure, why not? Make it wider. So the idea is to make it wider. They could actually put all the turrets. Okay, as wide is fine. Compensate for this bottom ones. Maybe like this. Okay, and this would be exactly the width that I calculated it for. Okay. It is tempting. What if? Sure looks better. Okay. And then what the point? I won't be able to put the turrets. Maybe I can... Oh, come on! Maybe like this. I will mark it. Asteroids. Okay. So then, I would love to have some gun turrets. Rocket turret. Rocket turret. This is bullets and rockets. Okay, that's better. And also laser turrets. Okay, so 3 gun turrets, 1 rocket turret that covers too much, but whatever. The question is 2 rocket turrets there and 1 there is enough? And the same goes for 4 gun turrets and 3 gun turret there. Laser turrets are not the question, that's fine. So laser turrets, sticks, almost as the same as gun turrets. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and we even have a couple of there. But maybe, what if I'll switch this collectors to more turrets? You know, it's always a good idea to have more turrets. It's always, you know, better to have more turrets than less turrets. As my grandpa was saying, I'm your grandpa. But there's one small but. If I will just use line of collectors, I could do all the tours behind them and I would be fine. So, you know, it's like I create problems for me and then I solve them. Okay, well, good for you. Okay, what if more turrets is always better than less turrets. 5 gun turrets, and there is just 4, right? I wonder if just 1 railgun is enough. Why? Is it good enough? Oh, yeah, okay. I'm sorry, what? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. This is a little bit better because of the rocket turrets coverage. I think I will maybe stick to it. But you know, that raises a question, what's the point of it? And I don't know what to say. You know, well, okay. I think this would be fine. That should be fine to go to the solar system edge. But to the shattered planet it won't be enough, and for the shattered planet I will just flatten it and put like turrets. Gun turrets, then rocket turrets, then line of gun turrets, then line of rocket turrets, then line of laser turrets. And that would be it. Beep-beam, 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 beep-beam. No, I'll just save it. I need a new book. It would be TMP book. Yeah, and I will need to... Yeah, I need to, you know, make some kind of spring cleaning. Oh, space in book. You sure? Okay, so I think I'll stick to this part of that. I saved it, so that's fine. Okay. It is. That goes there. And bullets. Wait, what? We'll split it for two. One will go. Another one. Oh no. It's so ugly. But okay, whatever. It is bullets, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. What do we do with a drunken sailor? What do we do with a drunken sailor? What do we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Uh-huh. Railgun ammo, bullets and rockets, and asteroids. Okay, fine. Maybe I can... railgun ammo. Mm-hmm. What's this? What? Ah, mm-hmm. No. Something went wrong. Are you kidding me? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seven. So, yeah. And that should be fine. All the asteroids will go there. Oh, you know what? I can actually put them on the other side of the belt. Is there any reason to do it? I don't think so. It goes there, and it goes there. It's a mess. It's a mess. I think it's time for me to wrap it up because, you know, I'm not sure that I understand what I'm doing anymore. Yeah, well, there won't be any side balancing and whatever, but whatever. Eh, that's fine. 3 megawatts just doing nothing. Cryogenic plant. This one, yeah. That's sometimes doing something. Okay. Oh wait, what's this? Why is it here? On one side, sure, why not? Whatever. We won't use any of these asteroids anyway, so then what's the point? Why am I doing it? I have I'm having small existential crisis. Like, what am I doing? Why am I doing it? Do we even cover it? Oh yeah, okay, we barely cover it. Ah yeah, well, that's fine. Okay, I can try. Do it this way. There's way too much asteroid collectors, and these fjords, as I call them, I don't think that they're actually useful. Because, like, I have 10 collectors, and I have way too much asteroids. Oh wait, 2 oxide processors. Oh yeah, they should be parallel to one another. So because this one creates oxide and this one takes this oxide and makes this oxide again, and this takes it. Yeah. So yeah, basically I'm just using the asteroids to craft some resources to just throw them away. Okay. .5, 32.5, 6.7. So yeah, okay. There is no actual reason for you to do it anymore. Go to novice and wait there 30 seconds. Okay. Thank you, you did good. Okay. Now, what do we have here? What is this? What's this? Rockets on one side. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, now that's fine. We take rockets, put it here, and put them in rocket turrets. And the bullets we split in half and put on all the rocket turrets. Yeah, okay. I don't know how did it happen, but well, whatever. Okay, I did it. They're very funny. It's like, and this one's like, what was it? Okay. Oh. Okay, so it's 5 p.m. It's time for me to wrap it up, as I said like an hour ago. But you know, let's finish calculating ratios and I will wrap it up. So, I calculated these ratios. I'm not sure that I need this. In 34 minutes, I won't need it anymore. Ooh. Okay. What about railgun turns? Okay, let's say railgun turns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 railgun turrets. Every one of them takes 0.35 plus 0.16. 0.51. 4 railgun turrets. 0.51. 4 times 2.04. 7th of April 26. So 2. For 2, okay. 2. But we don't need as much. It's 2 if they will shoot continuously 4 of them, which is way too much. But how much do we need? That's a question, because I have no idea. 9, 5, 14, 17. 70 huge asteroids. 70 huge asteroids. Per actual minute. And 17 by 60 is 0.3. $17 huge asteroids per minute. Assuming we have 1 mysterious minute per minute, as we saw in empiric test on item quantum processor. Equals 17 point by 60 equals, oh what's this? 0.28 Okay, which is fine. We can craft 0.3, 0.6, almost 1. It doesn't sound right, because when the once time that I went to the solar system edge, we had almost 1 per second. And it was barely enough. Oh, we had 3 railgun turrets. Oh yeah, rare. Epic. Just 1. Why didn't I use stack inserters? I think I forgot about them. Actually. It's actually a pretty small platform. 1 fusion reactor, 22 crushers, 11 laser turrets, 18 gun turrets, just 3 rocket turrets. Okay, but that should be much bigger, because we're planning to go way beyond solar system edge. Why would you do this? It can be as long as I want, right? Okay. So. 0.3. So this would be much more than enough. Okay, but let's say we need 0.5. We need, oh, you also need explosives. We'll make 1 per second. Oh, okay, so you need twice. That's interesting. It would be 1. Cryogenic plant, yeah. Would be 1, and this 1, this is 1, and this is 1. Okay. So something like this. Okay. It would be... This would be... almost 1. Okay. But you need 6 of you, and you need 6 times 1.4 or 1.5 copper. No, wait. Yeah. Copper 1.5 6 times. 1.5 6 times 9. You can provide twice as much. There's no reason for you to do that. We need 9. Черт. I'm sorry, chat, give me a second. Yeah, sorry, chat. We are going to a concert today with my wife, and I thought that we discussed that I will go and pick her up because, you know, she's leaving the work at 5 and the concert is at 8, so... But yeah, we forgot to, you know, to actually discuss that we will meet somewhere outside the house. But she said it's fine. She would prefer to go home first, so that's fine. Okay, I need 9. 9. This is 9. Megawatts. Okay, that's fine. 9. Nine. Okay. Non-iron. 0.75. 6 times 4.5 steel. 4.5. We have 5.25. 4.5. 4.88. A little bit faster. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, sorry chat. I will finish it quickly and wrap it up for today. So that should be fine. I'm sure it won't. So this platform for sure will be able to go to the solar system edge. That's not the question. The question is how far it can go to the shatter planet. Okay, let me save the game and I will... Okay, no, I need to wrap it up. I need to wrap it up. To do. Think about... just straight line, because that actually maybe it will be better. So because, you know, I need as much coverage as I can get, because the road to the shattered planet is like extremely dangerous. Road to route to solar system edge also dangerous, but not as dangerous as shattered planet. And I also need to store some promethium chunks. And, you know, of course, fuel, oxidizer, thrusters, all this water, and all the belts and everything. But, you know, that should be fine. I will just move it there. I'll move down. Nope. Hey. Yeah. So that would be our ratios. Should be fine. Maybe it won't. I don't know. But I will wrap it up for today. Yeah, you know, the more I think about it, that's more the stupid this idea sounds with yours. Okay, that was fine idea. Like, oops, sorry for the calculator. It was fine idea in terms of, you know, fun. In terms of, you know, just have these towers that will shoot asteroids and, you know, destroy it into the small chunks. And then you just catch all of it. A lot of chunks. But I'm not sure that it will work. Or, you know, bigger towers and deeper, I don't know, yours, wells. Wells for asteroid chunks. Okay, oh, come on, why? Why isn't it? It isn't. No. How did it happen? Eight. Why isn't it symmetrical? Should be symmetrical. Exactly 2 force 1. I see. Forty-one. No, why? Okay. That was close. I don't want to fly on asymmetrical space platform. You know what? I can actually put cargo base in front. And, you know, there would be our cryogenic plant. And there would be all the cargo base. Because we need a lot of... to put a lot of stuff in front, like bullets. Oh well, we won't store them in the... up anyways. Oh, so we crafted all the... Ooh, we crafted all the foundation. Whoa, nice. Now I have a lot of foundation. Very, very nice. Very nice. Now I can just drop it anywhere that I want. You know what? I don't need as much anymore. I'll just spend all my rockets. Ah, no, that's fine. We're just not fast enough. Okay, so I will save the game. And I will wrap it up for today. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much, everyone. I can't speak anymore. It was too hard on my brain. So thank you, everybody, for being today with me, for looking as I was struggling with this platform. Twitch says that bitrate is not good. I hope you can hear me. So yeah, thank you. Press all the buttons, follow, subscribe, Twitch, YouTube. You know what to do. If you're watching on Twitch, you can go to YouTube to watch all the VODs at least for this factory run, because before this I'm not sure that they're on YouTube, but whatever. So thank you everyone. See you next time at Friday. And don't go anywhere. I will rate someone. And see you at Friday. Bye.
Walking on the edge, nothing feels like home. Space between my thoughts is growing. Distance makes me cold.